Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Put both AirPods into the charging case and make sure the case and buds have juice. Place the case within 3 feet of your device and enable Bluetooth in settings. Once done, open the case lid, don't remove the AirPods yet, and locate the setup button on the back. You need the button visible for the next step. This ensures the case broadcasts a pairing signal. Make sure no other active headsets are trying to pair. You'll now make the case discoverable. Press and hold the setup button on the back until the LED blinks white. This takes around 5 to 10 seconds. On an iPhone, you should see a pairing pop-up. On Android or Mac, open Bluetooth and look for the AirPods name. Tap or click that name to pair. Stay patient while the device exchanges credentials. Do not close the lid or move away. Once the device reports connected, you've completed the core pairing step. Finish by closing the lid briefly, then open and test audio with one bud in your ear. Play music to confirm left and right channels. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods. With the lid open, hold the setup button until the LED shows amber then white, then repeat the pairing sequence. Make sure your device's OS is up to date and remove or disconnect other Bluetooth devices if interference occurs. If problems persist, restart your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.